Hello. Um, for this video, I want to talk to you about content manager systems. As you know, content manager systems are basically back-end systems that you use to edit and maintain websites. So, for instance, this manager system is called ModX, and ModX is an open source content manager system that we use here at Ohio State. As you can see, it's sustainability.osu.edu/manager, which is just the way to get in the back end. Here's some of the code for a few of the websites I've done also aside of osu.edu's main website for Ohio State. For instance, their sustainability chapter, Recyclemania, Earth Day, and Zero Waste, which is a big project of the stadium to recycle all the goods. So anyways, looking at these are all the websites I've done for Ohio State. Basically, it allows you to make certain templates of code and then able to use certain things like this right here is a randomization thing. And there's just a lot of different templates of code. Basically, it's a big library of all templates, and it allows me to pick and choose what I want to use. Then it also allows people that aren't so tech savvy, for instance, like the editors and stuff, they're able to actually come in here and add like new sections for certain areas and just use some kind of a text editor such as this and add new news features without actually having to use HTML. And then that actually just dynamically adds it to the website just as if you're adding new HTML. So really, content manager systems is a good way to manage websites and also allow non-tech savvy people to add content to websites without having to get into the nitty-gritty of the code. So it really allows, it's really a useful thing to have. And then as you can see, here's the Zero Waste website I did for Ohio State, and this is all about recycling material for the stadium. This is all being held from the content manager system, ModX. So I actually have a decent amount of experience with content manager systems. You might have also heard of like maybe Drupal, which is a good content manager system. There's a couple different ones I have experience with, but basically, regardless of how you guys have it set up completely at a cassette company, I'll be able to basically custom, get used to it right away and get to work right away.